Hi, I'm Yuji. I'm from Utsunomiya, Japan. This is how we eat breakfast in Japan. This style of set meal is called Ichiju Sansai in Japanese, which is one soup and then 3 dishes. I was in Japan this summer and they eat it like this every morning. I was very happy and I almost forgot how good having a breakfast like this is like. So Japanese breakfast has always savory protein, and a lot of times it is himono, dry aged fish. You can always buy himono at the fish market in Japan, but I'm gonna show how it is made from scratch. So the fish I have is called aji. In English, it's horse mackerel. It's very unique to Japan and also Europe. So sad that you cannot catch it in America. So now the ego is clean. I will open this fish butterfly, sprinkle salt. The idea with himono is that you make protein salty and concentrated, so also preserve it. So this is gonna be usually under the refrigerator, open for about a week, and you flip it every 2 days or something, and then the himono will be ready. Exactly same fish, but it shrinks and also makes a very nice glossy finish, and then it doesn't smell bad at all, actually. This is himono. It's been broiled for about 5 minutes. We usually enjoy himono with daikon oroshi, which is a grated daikon radish. The daikon radish balances the saltiness by mixing it together with the meat. And then this is a special tool made with a bamboo, designed perfect for like a chunky daikon oroshi. This is very good at grating daikon, but nothing else. And it doesn't release too much water, that's why I actually like it. Garnish is finished for himono. So breakfast is served in a set of ichiju sansai, and then ichiju means one soup. So miso soup is the ichiju part. Miso soup is made with miso and then a dashi. Dashi can be made with many different kinds of dry ingredients. This time I wanted to show how to make a dashi with a combination of kombu and then niboshi, dry sardine. Kombu is a type of dry kelp, and then most of the kombu are from Japan. They are harvested in Hokkaido. So this is called niboshi, dry sardine, like this much. Tastes like shrimp cracker. But shrimp cracker uses like something like this as a powder, so makes sense, yeah. Start with cold water and then soak it for about a half hour. You can kind of see like kombu expand already. Sardines also a little bit bigger. I'm gonna heat it up at a medium heat and then everything will come to a surface. This has been cooking about 30 minutes, so I'm gonna take the niboshi and then kombu out. This is the kind of scallion you see in Japan. It's called Tokyo negi. This is similar to leek. So when I cook it, it gets very sweet. And then aburaage is a fried tofu. Commonly, it's used for inari sushi, and then people use it for soup. I'm gonna just let this cook until scallions are soft enough, and then turn off the heat a little bit. And then when you add the miso, you don't want to put it in boiling water. I usually use a whisk and then kind of dissolve the whole thing. And that should do it. Miso soup is finished and tastes perfect. So this part of breakfast is called shiraae. Shiraae is a blanched vegetable mixed with a tofu sauce. The tofu I'm going to use is farm, not the silken or soft tofu. Blanching helps to take out the water that was in the original package, and it also makes a better sauce. I'm gonna probably cook for another 2 or 3 minutes. Now tofu is drained and I'm just taking the excess water out of the tofu. I'm going to do dashi first. This is usukuchi soy sauce. This is translated as a light soy sauce. It's made more with the wheat rather than the soy, which makes the color lighter and also the salt a little bit higher. So adding sesame oil kind of like binds the tofu really well and makes it kind of creamy. Kind of emulsifies the whole thing. This is a blanched broccoli rub, so you just want to have enough to coat the vegetables. This shiraae is done and it just tastes perfect. We're not actually gonna cook the whole breakfast from scratch for every morning. We use a lot of pickled vegetables so that you can actually use it for next 3 or 4 days. The cucumber is a very common thing. There are a variety of ways of pickling vegetables. One of the easiest one, the quick style, it's just lightly salt. This needs to sit for about half hour and it's ready to eat after that. So the ceramics are a very important part of Japanese cuisine. A lot of times chefs are inspired by the plates first, and then you think about the dish that goes along with the plate. These plates come from near my hometown in Japan. This is a Himono that's been perfectly rolled. I like to show the beautiful skin, and then a lot of times as a culture, the head is on left side rather than the right side. And then I have this citrus called the yuzu. Simple is better, so I don't want to have too much garnishes all around. Otherwise, you won't be able to appreciate the plate. And then a daikon radish seasoned with a soy sauce. So that's shiraae. And then a little bit of toasted sesame, cucumbers. So this is leftover kombu. So I just cut it super thin so that can be part of the pickles. This is called donabe. People use it for hot pot or to make really nice rice. And then the miso soup. So that is ichiju, one soup, and sansai, 3 dishes. When you sit down for a meal in Japan, always say itadakimasu in Japanese. Means thank you for your meal to the person who made it for you, and also thank you for the ingredients that's in front of you. So the chopsticks should be always in front of you, so you can pick it up really easily. And the rice should be always close to you, so that when you pick it up, you put it on top and you eat it together. Flip this one first, so it's a little bit easier. Take all the bones out. I have this like a chunk of meat left here, and you eat it together with the rice. I add the daikon, oroshi, and then eat it together. That's very good, yeah. I love Himono very much. If you like a dry aged beef, you're gonna love this one. Pickles. Nice, it's like a fresh cut cucumber, but like this texture is not in any other components, so it's very refreshing. The ichiju sansai's idea is about balance. It's not about having this much component. Could start cooking Japanese breakfast from making a miso soup, rice, and even like one sausage. I eat it like this when I'm in Japan every morning.